beautiful people, welcome back to Will's Kitchen Table. Guys, I'm on the roll again. I'm gonna make some barbecue rib today, guys. Take a look at it. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys my spices that I threw on this rib. Get it in my Instapot, guys. I got the Instapot here. I'm gonna throw the rib in it, and then I'm gonna make some barbecue sauce, guys, so you guys, to show you guys how I make my barbecue sauce. So you guys, hang on. So guys, this is the rib right here. This is the rub I got right here. This has paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and some barbecue spice in there, guys, and some oregano and dry thyme. And this is my dry rub. I'm mixing all together here, guys. Paprika will give it a nice color. Just a tablespoon each I got in here. I also have some brown sugar here, guys, to go on as well. Alright. So we're just going to mix this all together, right? And the brown sugar, all the spices. Mix that up. And get that right on it. Rub that baby all over it. Yeah, guys, so this is just a dry rub right here going on right now. Flavor it up, guys. That's what I'm doing. I like to turn the flavor up. Rub that spices on there, guys. You don't need any oil on this because it already has fat in there, so that spice is on there. Alright, guys, that's what it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna get the Instapot going right. So guys, right now I got a cup of orange juice and a cup of water, guys, going right inside here. And I'm just gonna put this baby right inside, twirl it around like that. Let it sit in there. Guys, this is just a brother of the Instapot, guys, but it works just as well. Granny stone, guys. Okay, let's get it going. I'm gonna close this baby down. I'm gonna put the wrong side. Alright guys, I'm gonna get it going. I'll get it out, show you guys what it looks like. Alright, okay guys, temperature going here. And there we go. Start doing its thing, guys. So as soon as it's out, I'm gonna show you guys the finished product that is gonna go on the grill, barbecue sauce. So guys, let's get the barbecue sauce going. All right guys, I just want to show you guys what's going in the barbecue sauce. Got some peppers here going on the grill, red pepper and green peppers. Got a half of an onion right there, guys, and look what that is. Scotch bonnet pepper right there. I'm just gonna grill those off and they're gonna blend right into the barbecue sauce, guys. Got some tomato paste, I got some ketchup, honey, brown sugar, all that good stuff going inside, guys. Trying to get some nice grill flavor on these and get them right in. Grill it up. So guys, that's what the barbecue gonna go in the barbecue sauce, guys. The ketchup, the tomato paste, the brown sugar, garlic powder, paprika. See that? Dry thyme. Look at that, guys. Yeah. And also have some orange juice going in. So we're gonna start blending that with the peppers and the onions. You guys take a look at this. Nice char on that, guys. You guys take a look. Got some potatoes going on here. Guys, I'm gonna do some mashed potatoes to go with the rib. And look. Got some cream and butter got there. Some garlic inside and onion. I just crushed 2 cloves of garlic. Guys, it's not much. It's just a few potatoes, so got about a third of a cup of cream going on here, 5%, and the mashed potatoes. So guys, right now, before I do the barbecue sauce, mashed potatoes are ready, guys. Shake a little bit of black pepper on this, get some salt on it. And guys, I'm just gonna pour this right inside. Then we're gonna mash. Alright, get this out of the way. You can smell the flavor from the garlic. Nice garlic mash. I use salted butter, guys, so you gotta watch the salt when you're doing this. And that is done. Guys, you don't want to over mash your potatoes, guys, or else it gets really elasticy. Guys, you don't want it like that. Your mashed potato can have a little bit of lump in it. That's okay, you know. Alright, that's done. Next thing I want to show you guys, you can sprinkle a little bit of cheddar cheese inside your mash if you want to go crazy. Just a little bit. You just stir that right in. Yeah, that should be good. A nice barbecue Friday, guys. With the mash. Look at that, guys. Look how lovely that looks. Okay, guys, let's get the barbecue sauce going. Okay, guys, so I got some onions. The onion, you guys see that? I took off the grill. Alright, put that right inside my little blender here. Peppers. Red pepper and green pepper. That's in. Then the barbecue sauce now, guys. This is the tomato paste and the ketchup. So if you guys don't want to use ketchup, you can use just tomato paste. I need brown sugar. For you, honey. The ketchup make good barbecue sauce. Guys, it's just a small piece of the Scotch bonnet pepper I put inside. I don't want it spicy, just the flavor I'm looking for from the peppers. Alright, guys, it's time to try. Wow. Guys, no, that's good. Wow. That is so good, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of stone ginger wine right in this with another blend. So guys, rib all done. We're gonna get it out right now. Now we're gonna get it on this pan here. Need another tongs to use it. So guys, it's so tender. I'm just gonna cut it right down the middle here and get it on the grill right now. And get the sauce on it. Guys, we're gonna have some rib. Guys, what I did here, I put the barbecue sauce right into a strainer after I blend it out, just to get it nice and smooth. Wow. Guys, this barbecue sauce, it's amazing. Homemade. Guys. Okay, we're gonna go on the grill now, guys. It's really sunny out here. And if you guys can see what's going on the grill. My two lonely pieces of rib. My barbecue rib, guys. It's gonna be up. The flavor gonna be up, guys, with that homemade barbecue sauce. Ooh. Guys, up, 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 up. Wow. Guys, let's get some sauce on there. Turn the flavor up. That's how you do it this summer, guys. Okay, guys, these are done. Ready to come off the grill. Yummy. So guys, take a look at the barbecue rib, guys. It's done with the mashed potatoes right there, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Beauty to the eyes and taste to the tongue. Guys, flavor up again. Wow, ain't that looking beautiful, guys? Okay, guys, time to try it. Try the mash. Wow, guys, this knocked me over. Wow, that is so good. Wow, guys, the flavor from the barbecue sauce. Wow, and the rib, it's so tender, it's falling off the bone. Guys, that's what I'm talking about. Flavor up again. This is delicious, guys. Wow, guys, you guys gotta try out this barbecue sauce at home. Guys, I'm gonna put the recipe for the barbecue sauce, guys, in the description box. You guys go in, take a look and make it, guys, and let me know how you guys like it. Please comment, like, share, subscribe to this channel, guys. It's up. It's about turn up the flavor all the time, guys. See you in the next one.